Atkins Civil 3D video series, Water 2A, existing water pipe layout continued. This video illustrates D, insert T's and valves in plan. E, create existing branch water pipe plan layout. F, draw existing branch water pipes in profile. And G, add existing fire hydrants. T's are inserted at desired locations in the pipe along the run of the T, not on the branch side of the T. The center line of fittings are shown at their correct location in plan and profile views. On the normal plan drawing scale, it is impossible to show valves and fire hydrants at their correct location. If they were, the size would be so small that it would nearly be impossible to see them. Symbolism is used for gate valves, fire hydrants, and other appurtenances. In order to be easily seen on the drawing, the size of the symbol is greatly exaggerated in relation to the actual size of the object it represents. The symbols are located on the correct side of the pipe and will extend a great distance beyond where they are actually located. Insert T's into the main pipe run. Pick a pipe to display the CS ribbon. Select Edit Network, Plan Layout Tools, Escape. Check that the pipe and the fittings are the correct size, 6-inch pipe, 6-inch gate valve, 6-inch by 6-inch T. Escape. Add fitting. Hover over the pipe at the location of the T to be inserted until the connect glyph appears and pick. Pick at other locations where a T is to be inserted. Escape. Zoom in to a T. The T may be connected to only one pipe. Pick the pipe. If no glyph appears at the end of the pipe is connected to the T. Escape. Pick the other pipe. The arrow glyph is used to move the pipe along its alignment. The square glyph is to move the pipe sideways. Pick the glyph and move to the T until the connect glyph appears. If the branch is pointed in the wrong direction, pick the T. Use the arrow glyph at a joint to rotate the T about the joint. Pick the square glyph at the center and move to the correct location. Escape. Create existing branch pipe runs and plan. Select desired size of pipe, 6-inch pipe, pipes only. Hover over the T until the connect glyph appears. Pick the end of the pipe run. Escape. Pick the T and the pipe. Ensure the context-sensitive ribbon remains displayed so that only EX water parts are selected. Draw parts in profile. Select the desired profile. 44th north, right. 44th north, right. Escape. Adjust the pipe profile where needed. Escape. Gate valves are generally inserted at T's. Select the desired size of valve, 6-inch gate valve, add appurtenance. Hover over the pipe at the desired location for the valve and pick. Escape. Pick both ends of pipes to ensure no glyph appears. Escape. Move the valve as needed. There should be approximately 2 feet of pipe between the T and the valve. Escape. Draw T's and valves in profile view. Pick the T's and the valve and the connected pipe. Move cursor and right-click. Draw parts in profile view. Select the appropriate profile view. Ensure that the parts appear normal. Escape. At fire hydrant locations, use previous procedures to add the T's, lateral pipe, and valves in plan view. Since they are not shown in profile, the creation of these parts may be performed at the same time. 8x6 T. Add fitting. 2 connect glyph appears, which indicates that both pipes should be connected. Escape. Pick the fitting and move to the desired location. Rotate the T. Escape. 6-inch push-on ductile iron, pipes only. Hover over T and pick. Pick at the location of the fire hydrant. Escape. Add the gate valve, 6-inch gate valve, add appurtenance. Escape. In Civil 3D prior to 2017, there were no fire hydrants listed in the pressure pipe catalog. Fire hydrants had to be added manually. There are water FH and water FH EX in the block definitions in the set of Atkins tutorial drawings. I enter, select water fire hydrant EX, insertion point, place check mark to specify on screen. Scale 1, uniform scale, leave unchecked. Rotation 0, leave unchecked. Explode, leave it as a block, leave unchecked. OK. The insertion is at the center where it connects to the pipe, but the alignment may be off. Pick a point near the hydrant, align the block to the pipe. AL enter to start the align command. Pick the fire hydrant block, specify first point, pick a corner of the pipe connection, pick the corresponding corner of the pipe, pick the other corner of the block, pick the corresponding corner of the pipe, enter, enter. Repeat for other fire hydrant locations. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.